Ever thought you knew everything about our 7 continents? Think again. From exploding lakes to deserts bigger than countries, today we'll uncover mind-boggling facts about every continent that will leave you speechless. Let's dive into the hidden wonders of our planet. Number 7. Antarctica. Most people imagine Antarctica as just endless white snow, but here's the twist. It's technically the largest desert in the world. With less than 2 inches of rain per year, it's drier than the Sahara. But it gets even stranger. Scientists have found entire liquid lakes beneath the ice, like Lake Vostok, untouched for millions of years. Some believe alien-like microbes may be living there right now. And here's a chilling fact. Antarctica has blood waterfalls. That's right. In East Antarctica, water-tinted blood red by iron oxide seeps from glaciers, looking like nature itself is bleeding. Number 6. Africa. Africa is home to Lake Nyos, sometimes called the Exploding Lake. In 1986, it released a deadly cloud of carbon dioxide that silently killed over 1,700 people and thousands of animals in a single night. A chilling reminder of Earth's hidden power. Number 5. Asia. Asia is massive, but the extremes here are what make it mind-boggling. For starters, it has both the highest point on Earth, Mount Everest, and one of the lowest, the Dead Sea. But even deeper is the Mariana Trench, plunging nearly 11 kilometers down. Drop Mount Everest into it, and the peak would still be submerged. Here's a fun twist. Asia is also home to the coldest permanently inhabited place on Earth, Oymyakon in Siberia. Temperatures once reached -89 degrees Celsius. That's colder than some parts of Mars. And here's something that'll blow your mind. Genghis Khan's Mongol Empire was once so vast that it covered almost all of Asia and a good portion of Europe, creating the largest land empire in human history. Number 4. Europe. Europe may look small on the map, but its influence has been massive. Oddly enough, geologists argue that Europe isn't even a continent. Technically, it's part of Eurasia. It's only history and culture that separate it. And here's a fun fact. Europe is home to the smallest country in the world, Vatican City. It's just 0.2 square miles, smaller than some shopping malls. Yet it's home to priceless art, history, and the Pope himself. But Europe also has a dark mystery. There's a forest in Romania called the Hoia Baciu, often dubbed the Bermuda Triangle of Europe. People claim to see UFOs, hear strange voices, and even lose time while walking through it. Creepy, right? Number 3. North America. North America holds extremes like no other. Take Lake Superior. So vast, it contains 10% of all Earth's surface freshwater. If drained, it could cover both North and South America in water a foot deep. But there's something weirder. In Mexico, there's a place called the Zone of Silence, where radio signals mysteriously vanish, compasses go haywire, and legends of alien encounters are everywhere. NASA even once dropped a test missile there by accident. And here's a breathtaking oddity. Death Valley in the US has rocks that move on their own. Massive stones glide mysteriously across the desert floor, leading trails behind them. For decades, no one knew why. The secret? Thin layers of ice form, and winds push the rocks slowly, invisibly. Number 2. South America. South America's Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the Earth. But here's the twist. Scientists now say it consumes almost all the oxygen it produces, recycling it internally. So technically, it's not supplying the world, it's just keeping itself alive. And then there's the Atacama Desert in Chile. Some areas haven't seen rain for over 400 years. NASA even tests Mars rovers here because conditions are so similar to the Red Planet. But perhaps the most mind-bending fact? Angel Falls in Venezuela, the world's tallest waterfall, is so high that water evaporates before hitting the ground on dry days. Number 1. Australia. Australia may look small compared to Asia or Africa, but it's bursting with oddities. For one, it has the longest fence in the world, the Dingo Fence, stretching over 5,600 kilometers. Longer than the Great Wall of China, built just to keep wild dogs away from sheep. But here's something that sounds made up. Australia is home to more camels than Egypt. Yes, wild camels roam the outback in such huge numbers that they're sometimes exported back to the Middle East. And let's not forget its pink lakes. Lake Hillier, for example, is bubblegum pink all year round. Scientists believe it's caused by unique algae and high salt levels. It looks like someone poured strawberry milkshake across the land. Which of these facts blew your mind the most? The exploding African lake or the idea that Antarctica is a desert? Let me know in the comments. And if you love discovering the hidden secrets of our planet, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and stay tuned for more mind-expanding content.